Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kalampong Yakob Lakai, Sports Junkie School na Kalangkishnong ki bahak bapo ka East Coast Hills District. Ya kabala penyan da ka District Sports Officer jong ka East Coast Hills. Kalapoy siya ka bakot no haka kandai trik mentab na jembang araja kat kandai. Kabala pelong Hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo Shillong. Haki lais ngilantar ki kena nadu ki ba haka kerdan jong ka under 18, under 16, but under 14. Kilai kun jeng ban penyo anam yala ki jong ki school. Haki ni lakai bape-rape. Haka bakot no pat jong ka ni Kalampong. Nalor ki kusnam syaki shimen ki bala job haki Jacob bape-rape. Lai kusnam ru syaki kena kentai bat cendrang ki ba kensai tam haka ni Kalampong. Ne ya kabala tem kum kanam best athlete. Haka under 14 ya kanam best athlete. Naki kentai layo da ka kersoilen nongneng kat ba naki sendrang pat da job da Ferdinand C. Kine. Bat kini bora arngot kidai naga school 7 Heart Secondary School. Haka under 16 pat ya kanam best athlete naki kentai layo da ka Angelina J. Jackson naka St. Mary's High Secondary School. Kat ba naki sendrang pat layo da Udanbok Shabong na St. Joseph High Secondary School Penthor. Haka under 18 pat naki kentai ya kanam best athlete layo da ka Glorify Kurba na ka Shillong College Higher Secondary Education. Kat ba na kisentang pat layo da Ukraw Kupar Shabong na ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Na parang baro ki school pat ya kanam best team. Haka under 14 layo da ka Lorito Convent Higher Secondary School na kikintay but na kisentang pat layo da ka 7 Heart Higher Secondary School. Haka under 16 ya kanam best team na kikintay layo da ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Kat ba na kisentang pat layo da ka Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School. Haka under 18 pat ya kanam best team na kikintay la job hi da ka Loreto Convent High Secondary School but na kisentang pat la job da ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Kat ba ya kanam best discipline team pat layo ra da ka BK Bajoria High Secondary School.
His timing was 55.81 seconds and 36 seconds. Was 1 minute 11.38 seconds. And timing within that was 1 minute 0.13 seconds. His timing was 50. And then I was the top of this. The teams are controlled your needs, the management concept, and management learning. Given the time for both spaces and the school are received the bronze medal and long-term upward testing. The team of 50 secondary school completed the race within the time of 48.48 seconds. Second upward 48.1 area. They completed the race within the time of 36.43 seconds. And the winner goes to the Prince of St. Mary's High Elementary School with Angelina Joseph Rwanda. The under-18 boys goes to athletes of Shillong College Higher Education. That's from Langkuya, Bangladesh race, they got Langkuya and that's Langkuya. They completed the race within the time of 48.17 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, well, we can always give a good thanks to all of these athletes who are receiving a medal now from St. Edmund and the gold medal in this event.
I now declare the district level musical athletic meet 2019, organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer, East Coast Hills, Shillong, closed.